It's a prototype frame. We're working with a company in New Zealand. It uses a bag molded carbon fiber process. It's built for flying the Red Epic. 8 motors, 400 kV, 15-inch props. Get about a 10-minute flight time. It starts off for a complete ready-to-fly unit with dual operators, 2 cameras, two controllers, one for pilot, one for camera operator, the stabilization system, everything, about 25 grand. And the Red Epic camera starts off about $20,000 for the camera. It goes all the way up to about $60,000 depending on what accessories you want. We just filmed a movie called Ride with Helen Hunt. We just had a Snoop Dogg video that got released. We're filming a Taylor Lautner movie called Tracers. So there's some feature films that we use these on quite a bit.